Abusia for ya to aba na wie na abato ni mu achi nsensem de enya asem keto ene aba ye to wie de obere are de obedi nkunim so adi nkunim na some constituencies bia na ewo se Mami Mensa etimi declare na yehu nipa of parliamentary seats no say eno na enya ma so ene amanfo bebre ebebo Mami Mensa so bro say omra na omra me declare na 9 constituency waba be declare 9 ni nyina na MPP 4 afa 7 na eno na nam so ama prophet Kofi Oduro abekasa e de afa ho ene otutu japa e de amane Mami Mensa anyefofo eje wo mo de ene ministers ahodo ene nkofo bebre ene age wo mo de enya asem keto enkotie nsem ahodo a prophet Kofi Oduro e de tuja ye ko na se mekanfo tap send e de ama wo se wo send sika de afia mo na de aba o mangana mu tap send bebo we yankasa wo de abaya ne se obekwa Apple Store na se Play Store no akọ download tap send e wo honom in process o mebisa promo code no about the TV e de ahye wo ene bro nya bosumi ya tap send e de sambra promo e de aba eti wo send sika e ba fie no na ye chewa chede na ye sama bonuses e de ka ho eti wo download bia no aba modern akọ download bi abusia say e na prophet Kofi Oduro e de tuja.
I have thought seriously, thought. Atua berry, sir. Ballot papers na ubiti minya extra no. Where do they get it from? Abatuo no paper noa. Enya electoral commission for paper no. Eden womunya template no. The print here. Eden womunya serial numbers. Nipa ya bone wunyansafo. Duan hunu nipa they are in suit and you be and the suit or ye honorable. There are people in suit who are Juloy. Why will you want to even rule people who don't want you? Think about it. Sembia me pehine di wo mikro mu bome. Na bome force yem pew. O se chinchina champe se me ye wo him. Dakro me dawan will be the good ba be hwe me santo iso. E na na marafo sorry free akoye mpew. Yeah. The Bible said, He will gather all the nations before him. And then he will split them as a shepherd separates the sheep from the goats. The nation, when we are going to be separated. Ghana for Munkwa, Nigeria, Munkwa, Bangladesh, America, Vietnam, India. According to nations. Not even according to individuals. Hey, Mumra, Munkwa. And then when he finish, he will tell one side, go to fire. And one, go into eternal rest. Sit here and think that this is Bible story. Me say, what to jam ni mo na be what to jam. You know. Obeko to Jezebel. You will know. Traveling to few places. My pastor, there is only one place I desire. Kuruno Yebuno. Also, Philippians chapter 3 verse 20. Put it on the screen. Let's close with that scripture. And Merry Christmas to all of you. Brunyano does not mean tia. Brunyano nyam kokobe enko no mwamboto. Mamemfa nko tanaha na memfa nko tanaha. Henanwe jamani se muna nkrofode ye wampoano. People travel all over. Obaji na Oduro so nshebi no di jina mpoano. Na police ni jina no hweno. Sister Bia na no mo se wa wayi ne ho a kire ne ba mamfa na nkotum. and hwehwe nimufuo ya monetene ne no krentam ware ne nipa girl ya na no ka so ha road draws for show no or call run the draws go tia electric wire so you know ade any electric to no ku no show na se na police ho ne obi ti bi dina bonten ka so ha no run the draws open naked na obi ayi phone no twa better no manya inshira. How are you going to you that ye adwuma nya kwasi asuba na ka ho kwasi asuba na ka ho e ka na munya adwuma nya also can sad young can you so the konye good betting companies a branti awesi so betting na dia would ubala basta utwa bet ubala basta utwa bet kwasi akoma na kura de mi hu bita wodon kwasi akomeya kotobo nsam gem no ehunu se watu gem. I'm telling you truth. Ubala basta utwa bet your boyfriend and now the one CD better. Asi adwene. Asi adwene. Nkrofo. So man penny for no ban so ba. O metete asha wo so mahe yo. Asi otu. Ene mahama zo de adwuma to zo. Abraham Kasenka preaching ami preaching Ghana Broadcasting Corporation ye piatum whole nation kasachire o man no. Ha adie bi o amrenti minya ho reda. Na me asam na sisa koma. I'm telling you, we dey tenafa o mra na ye yi. Serious. When I know boys in saying when I'm with you, soldier Nikota to no one corner so I could to every ness. Baby, I command a corner no. Baby, I command a corner no. Eti kaya biatum from now all over. Sunyankin, Tampo, Savannah, northeast, northwest. Now ye pretty kingdom is some all over the air with cockroaches. Abromo bonium. And the nipa kuma no sorry ane sorry. Nipa kuma no sorry ane sorry. Ankasa nchire wo many pay nyadwe such I'm telling you. Security service almost do anything. Are living in a nation of almost about 36 million people. Where the security services all put together, they will not be up to 3 million. If you 36 million for no buffer train so do you know what will happen? Think about it. It is a commanding nya. We found to a good out. I'm telling you, obitu manya, uchitu unsuru. I'm telling you. There is a generation that does not bless mother nor honor father. They are coming, their teeth are swords. No unsuru bibia. Adia betimi asachira wom, hey nyame asem. Meso uchu time me juma nyame dia mami. Chumu time make a crusade wo Jubilee House. The crusade in the Jubilee House no e maswa Yesu mayo ni nyama. Life at the Jubilee. Yet me break it Ramadan with Jubilee House. Yeah, you bet my crusade with Jubilee House. As simple as that. Now no boy back on kwasi any mood ko jina yi Parliament House. When your opportunity to preach or Parliament, maybe jina me nya opportunity to go Parliament House and go preach. That's so bad. 3 days ago, what be preaching. Next day waba. After the next day waba what the lemane ba. Ekuma or the highway castle, no the highway castle, or the highway castle, or the highway castle. When me win scribble. You see, I mean why I can't once with dinkwasi. I did say the wabe. And right, and then I say a man of 5 years in jail. Now, Coco Druns and one who Beko Hunu said, you grow for fun, grow for true more.
I will say, and some of our prophet Kofi Oduro, the 2 jar, and you could see a message of us or share. I'm out for and ye a share face like if I'm my Leja comment our comment section. We're meeting at the Akosia Boajo, who made the show, sister Macram.
Your favorite way to send money to Ghana is back. We're excited to announce that Tap Tap Send is back and better than ever. After a brief pause, we are happy to resume our mission of providing fast, affordable, and secure money transfers to Ghana. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Tap Tap Send is working power. And remember, tell your loved ones abroad to send money through Tap Tap Send to stand a chance to win big in the December Sambra promo. Tap Tap Send. Papa no no.